Hello guys, welcome to Hosting Safari, the best cloud service provider. Today I am going to show you a demo of Tally on Cloud. Tally on Cloud can be used through web, so let's start. Open the Chrome browser on your PC and enter the web URL provided by us. Now this will open a page asking for your login credentials. Enter the credentials. Now here you will see to options 1. Is HTML5 Is remote app, you have to select the HTML5 and hit the logon button. Now this page will redirect you to your cloud panel. Here you will get 5 options. 1. Is change password. Clicking on that you can change your login password. 2. Is Tally application. Clicking on that Tally will open up and you can use it normally as you do it in local PC. Now the 3 option is data folder. Clicking on that will open up the Tally data folder where you can see your company folders created in Tally. And the 4 option is export folder. Click to open this and you can see files that are exported from Tally. Now the last option is log off. Clicking on this option will log off the cloud. In the next part, we will going to show you the other login method that is RDP. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.